Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Notion step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in www.notion.so and press enter. You will be directed to the Notion homepage. Look for the login button at the top right corner of the page. Click on the login button. You will now see multiple login options, including email and Google. If you choose to log in with your email, click on the email option. Enter the email address associated with your Notion account. After entering your email, click the Continue button. Check your email inbox for a login link from Notion. Open the email and click on the login link provided. If you opted to log in with Google, click on the Google option. A pop-up will appear asking you to choose your Google account. Select the Google account linked to your Notion account. You may need to enter your Google password if prompted. Once logged in, you will be taken to your Notion workspace. Explore your space and start using Notion's features. If you experience any issues, double-check your login credentials. Now you are ready to organize your notes and tasks in Notion. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.